All right, y'all, here we've got the native pawpaw #1, looking nice. Lots of flower buds. Oh yeah, by the way, spring's almost here. See the daffodils? Yeah, they're almost flowering. Do a little walk around. Have lots of flowers on this. Hopefully we have lots of fruit too. This tree, I say tree, there's actually 2 trunks. So this trees is very productive. So hopefully this year will be the same as previous years. So nothing new happening other than these buds are starting to swell up. We'll see you next month.